Greetings to all tech explorers. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey through heavy machinery, modern inventions, and the incredible advances of technology. The amphibious dredger from Cleantech Infra is a unique machine that is designed for use in open and narrow canals, able to float in water and soft, swampy wetlands, where a conventional excavator with tracks or tires would get stuck. It has a 22-foot reach and can endlessly rotate 360 degrees. Stabilizing wheels provide buoyancy when extended and act as stabilizers when under the dredge. The excavator also uses its wheels to load and unload from the trailer and can slide down steep slopes on its own. The SR Series rotary screening bucket provides high performance when sorting various materials. The rotary equipment is equipped with a replaceable screen system made of one piece. Its advantage is that it can be easily removed and replaced with other sieving sizes, from 20 by 20 to 100 by 100. SR rotary bucket equipped with a high-performance rotating drum of washing machine type with open front panel, which ensures maximum performance in sieving and sorting. The rotary screen is characterized by a strong and robust frame that can withstand even the heaviest working loads. The sieve drum is extremely robust and has a tapered base that optimizes the handling of the material being screened, both when the blade is parallel to the ground and when the bucket is closed. One look at these huge tanks of a solar power plant, and it's clear that transporting them can be a real challenge. However, two new AROX trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons were able to cope with this enormous task. The size of the load was truly staggering, and the total weight was nothing to speak of. But the two impressive AROX with 6x6 wheel arrangement, 6-cylinder engine, and 425 kilowatts of power did the job. Before the transportation of this huge load could begin, the team of experts had to carry out a detailed analysis to determine a suitable route. On some parts of the route, detours and temporary traffic routes even had to be organized. The vehicles also achieved their goal by utilizing an important technology that is perfectly adapted to this type of operation: the non-wearable turbo retarder clutch. You see the Flat Cat equipment trailer, a new trailer for various equipment. Belmont Trailers believes this model allows trailer owners to move more easily, quickly, and safely load and transport equipment that can be a problem today. This includes equipment that has poor or no traction, low ground clearance, and equipment that has difficulty climbing ramps or elevated decks. The Flat Cat trailer's unique hinged platform design makes it easy to load and transport all types of equipment, including man elevators, scissor elevators, roller compactors, and even pallet jacks. Additionally, the Flat Cat is ideal for transporting low-profile vehicles, such as classic and vintage cars. The Genesis GXT Mobile Shear is the industry's next-generation shear, designed for more efficient scrap processing and is suitable for smaller carriers, reducing the initial purchase investment and hourly energy costs. The GXT model is shorter, higher, and lighter in weight. It is a scrap and demolition shear with its center of gravity closer to the excavator, allowing the model to be mounted on excavators that previously could only carry smaller and less powerful shears. Camropsy K140 chain cutter is ideal for excavators from 2 to 50 tons when milling rock with compressive strengths up to 100 megapascal. The machine demonstrates high efficiency in conditions where drilling and blasting is not possible for medium hard rock with a compressive strength of 15 to 60 megapascal. The machine is well suited for narrow trenches from 480 millimeters wide with an optimal wall profile. The continuous chain, which is driven by drums with cutters, automatically removes the shredded material from the space between them. Digging a trench with a minimum width saves on unnecessary transportation expenses to remove the shredded fraction and reduces the price of the bulk material. And the use of EK series products reduces wear on the excavator's slewing gear. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Rimu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. The Roxgon H4 hydraulic refinisher was developed in Western Australia specifically to increase crop and pasture productivity and to work well with the remediation of difficult soils. The technique has a working width of 3 meters and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. In most agricultural situations, 3 to 5 passes are required, but only 1 pass can be efficient when used as a deep loosener over rough terrain. Farmers can typically work about 10 hectares a day with the Refinator H4, which can work faster than many other deep loosening machines. The machine is ideal for working on heavy terrain with numerous stumps and stones. The Genius can be easily disassembled and therefore transported. This allows the crane to be used quickly for demolition work on the largest projects. Concrete and scrap shears with a lifting capacity of 16 tons make this crane exceptionally suitable for large industrial and infrastructure work. This equipment can be used underwater for offshore and mooring work at depths up to 98 feet. The Genius works safer and faster because it cuts heavy concrete structures, which creates significantly less dust and vibration. And because its long reach means it stays in one place longer, less crawling, preventing vibration and wasted time. These are exactly the kind of benefits that are also welcome for projects in urban areas. The 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch with a pulling force of 8.5 tons is easy to use thanks to the unwinding device and the auto stop and smart 3-in-1 functions. Operation is via remote control. The folding window grille makes transportation easy. The recognizable winch design with sturdy construction and compact backstrap protects against wear and tear and makes operation easier. The 85H model, on the other hand, does not have an unwinding device. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks waves up to a meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. In July 2020, Camp C unveiled Europe's first locally printed 2-story house. What makes this house so unique? It is that it is printed using a stationary 3D printer on concrete. The house is 8 meters tall, 90 square meters in area, and printed on a Cobod model BOD 2 3D printer. In addition to the fibers in the concrete, the amount of wire mesh reinforcement used is minimal. The printing technology used made formwork unnecessary, saving about 60% in material, time, and budget. Adding up all the days, it took only 3 weeks to print the house in Camp C. Avatech, founded in 2003, has announced the new Trex Remote Control Lawnmower, RCLM, with collision avoidance technology. Featuring a new 20-horsepower Kawasaki remote start engine and dual cutting blades, the Trex 44 can cut tall, wet grass on slopes up to 50 degrees. The dual hybrid electric drive system provides a zero turning radius when traveling forward or backward. Hybrid drive eliminates the need for hydraulic oil systems and reduces weight and cost. Track to ground pressure is 1.16 pounds per square inch. The twin-engine, dual propulsion, dual-drive road trains, DPRT, have a high payload capacity, which significantly reduces the time and cost of transporting ore from the mine site to the concentrator, train, or barge loading terminal. With payloads of up to 500 tons and unlimited range, distance is no longer an issue. By reducing transportation and vehicle cycles, you get higher productivity at lower costs. The additional payload achieved with DPRT is simply a game changer in terms of operational productivity and cost efficiency. As a professional construction hoist manufacturer, SYM Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company Limited is committed to providing the most complete, reliable, and valuable lifting solutions for every customer. That's why they created the XCA 600 all-terrain crane, which has a main boom length of 344 feet, and its performance is several times higher than products of the same tonnage class. This all-terrain crane is highly adaptable and can be used even in major wind turbine maintenance projects. The whole machine can carry the main boom, superlift, and heavy load transition, and can also pass through lower culverts, which is more suitable for urban construction. Wagner's L60 and L90 models are ideal for working in unimproved and muddy terrain conditions. Both models feature four-wheel drive, capacities from 60,000 to 160,000 pounds, a rear swing axle, and a minimal center of gravity offset that stays directly behind the load, providing superior stability without losing power when turning like a large wheel loader. Plus, with the option of four-wheel drive, you can always disengage the rear axle when seasonal ground conditions improve, thereby reducing axle wear and improving fuel economy. The Matterhorn Gotthard Bahn vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka Tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people in one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. The Hout Killer 1270 grubbing shears have been designed specifically for removing and processing biomass from large stumps with roots. This technique also copes perfectly with small and medium-sized stumps and other root material. The technology can be easily and simply mounted on any standard base machine. Thanks to the pre-shredding of stumps, the volume of material to be transported is reduced. Another possible application for this equipment is the subsequent shredding of stumps in recycling plants. You can count on low operating expenses and low wear and tear, thanks to the robust construction and the use of high-quality steels. The Dutchman 30-degree tapered tree shovel, available in models from 330 to 600, model 420 is shown in the video, is ideal for digging up trees with tap roots or in sandy soil. The shovel is almost completely enclosed at the bottom, minimizing soil loss. However, due to the pointed shape, the resulting root clods are less stable and balanced. It is the ideal compact shovel for small to medium-sized loaders. This unit digs from 34 inches to 20 inches. The weight of the inner frame is approximately 1,450 pounds. Cenobog and telehandlers are the ideal machines for demanding applications. The 835G Hybrid and 355E models precisely set new standards for efficient scrap, wood, and port handling, thanks to the Green Hybrid Regeneration System, which is now also available in this machine class. You save up to 30% on fuel. These machines are, in fact, multifunctional tools that can handle both common telehandler tasks and complex material handling operations. Here, for example, in this video, we see these loaders pile sugar beets into a pile and then load them onto barges. Together, they are capable of handling 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the beet campaign, delivering fuel savings and reduced CO2 emissions, thanks to Green Hybrid's regenerative technology. Do you want to effectively control the loss of thousands of tons of topsoil on your plot of land? No problem with the Farmer Zerat laser machine. Of course, leveling the fields offers great advantages for areas with such a useful topsoil. And you want to ensure at least 50 to 60% more efficient use of irrigation water. So it is thanks to laser leveling. The technique in front of you allows you to supply irrigation water to each plant equally, which significantly increases the overall productivity of work. The TV2 SOS trailer is used when there is need to transport long and standard vehicles without the need for a crane to load them on a semi-trailer. In addition to its original characteristics, the adjustable neck surface can also facilitate the loading and unloading of vehicles because it can be designed to be height adjustable through the use of 2 hydraulic cylinders. The total lifting capacity is 48 tons, and the loading surface can be expanded to 15 tons. This model of vehicles can be supplied with various modifications at the customer's request: car carrier, low floor, and roadside assistance. You see the green cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company Bemat. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower, but production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, the vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are 2 blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. Now, we will talk about the JCB Demo Dump Truck. Their new HTD5 model with an operating weight of 590 kilograms, 5.9 horsepower, and Kohler diesel engine with electric starter is a real find. Smart Step offers maximum operator comfort while ensuring safety. To accomplish this, the system cuts power when the operator steps off the machine, which prevents any movement. Meanwhile, the chute hydraulics continue to receive power. The step can also be folded in walking mode. To activate all hydraulics, the operator must walk behind the tipper. Smart Step has a load capacity of 120 kilograms. Well, thanks to the new features, the new tipper doesn't compromise on productivity. Bobcat Sand Cleaner, on the loader of the same name, is an attachment that helps the operator quickly and easily clear the working surface of debris and small objects. Its installation is carried out with the patented system, BobTac, which provides a safe and secure attachment of the device on the base machine. Thanks to this technique, the operator quickly and efficiently sifts sand and cleans it from various small debris: bottle caps, glass shards, woods, as well as cans, stones, plastic bags, syringes, algae, and other debris. The working width of the attachment is 1900 millimeters. The depth is up to 200 millimeters, and the bucket capacity is 350 liters. The cleaning area is up to 15,000 meters squared per hour. High productivity is complemented by the possibility of unloading from a height by lifting levers on the loader, which allows easy dumping of garbage into a dump truck. Have you heard anything about the new HT912 from Redroo? This fully hydraulic, self-propelled, compact trencher is the perfect companion for your irrigation, sprinkler, and electrical system installations. As for the internal equipment, the heart of the unit is the 9-horse Honda OHV engine. A revolutionary new swivel system protects the pivot hub from dirt, and an operator presence monitoring system immediately stops the wheels and chain. Furthermore, importantly, this lightweight model is also available with a 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch boom. Just take a look at this fully automatic BMM 410 brick-making machine from SNPC Machines. An ideal brick-making machine with various features and best price compared to other equipment. This fully automatic mobile machine produces bricks and moves on wheels like a car. Such machinery produces brick more than 3 times faster as compared to manual production. The machine produces top-quality bricks with low water consumption, so it is considered eco-friendly. The best mobile brick-making machines like BMM 160, BMM 410, BMM 310, which produce bricks according to their capacity, are also featured in the video. In today's world, road maintenance has become an incredibly dangerous endeavor. That's why Pioneer Industrial Systems developed the Robotic Maintenance Vehicle, or RMV, to help save lives by taking road workers to safety. The RMV combines advanced vision and artificial intelligence training with a Fennec robot that uses line tracking to detect, map, filter, and fill cracks while driving on the highway. And all this when there is only one operator on the road and no other workers exposed to dangerous traffic. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ox Equipment and operated by Super Sucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. The Universal Pickup is a compact machine with a large steering angle for maximum maneuverability. The machine can move at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour, and its powerful 4-stroke engine with 18 horsepower allows you to pick at half speed. The machine has excellent performance regardless of the number of fruit collected, without damaging them. By the way, the picker can be used in both high and low stem orchards. DFM feller buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a deer track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability, and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. The RTX 750 SOC trencher can cut a trench 24 inches wide and 36 inches deep. The sliding trencher moves 16 inches to the left from the center. It makes it easy to dig clean, straight ditch walls for efficient utility installation. The height can also be adjusted for easy transportation. The attachable conveyor unloader is capable of handling dump trucks weighing up to 10 tons. This allows operators to work in tight urban areas by feeding soil directly into the dump truck. Workstation all-attachment controls are manually rotated 90 degrees. The swivel workstation is designed to optimize the view of the rear attachment and maximize operator comfort. After heavy snowfalls, airports remain literally paralyzed for some time until the runways are cleared of snow. The Norwegian Overåsen TV1000, and the world's largest auger snowplow, was created for this very purpose. This technique allows coping with the tasks of clearing the territory as quickly as possible, throwing 12,000 tons of snow per hour at a distance of 35 to 50 yards beyond the runways. The problem of waste has a global scale and requires new approaches to its solution. One of them may well be the reuse of waste in various spheres, including road construction. Plastic roads are created from recycled materials, household waste, disposable dishes, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. It is also a great solution in favor of reducing the use of asphalt, which saves natural resources. Another plus is that greenhouse gas emissions are 30 tons less when making roads from plastic, because 10% of bitumen is replaced with recycled plastic. All in all, profitable and very practical. Fast 2K is the fast and convenient way to complete your fence. One 2.5 pound, 33.8 ounce bag replaces 80 to 100 pounds of concrete. Fast 2K eliminates the mess of mixing and having to lug around heavy bags of traditional concrete. With Fast 2K, there is no mess. No water is required, and it hardens in just minutes. Fast 2K will make your project faster and easier. With this new design, there is no need for a base or saddle to secure the post. Fast 2K becomes waterproof after installation. It expands immediately after mixing and holds the post in 3 to 5 minutes. Many tests have shown that this new product has proven to be as effective as concrete for load-bearing structures. This advanced attachment from Payet features a unique and reliable gravity drive and hydraulic cylinder function with a multi-section telescopic boom. The reloader provides greater digging and ground removal power for increased productivity and efficiency. The compact telescopic boom design is ideal for complex excavation projects, underground and/or underwater, with vertical walls. Common projects include foundation work, narrow excavation, shafts, subway stations, subway parking lots, underground reconstruction, and canal clearing, to name a few. Suitable for any excavator of any make from 6 to 80 tons. In the new LRC model from ABS Remorques, the manufacturer has used cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses and extending the life of the trailer. Direct conveyor connection accelerates unloading speeds by 16% compared to connecting to a hydraulic block. The LRC model's pressure regulators and connectors were reconfigured and an access door was added to the front of the trailer. ABS also redesigned the scraper mechanism to limit belt residue buildup. Finally, the door cylinders were relocated. All of these modifications were made to improve the safety and ease of use of the trailer for the operator. Olmec has launched the Bibby series, 1090BL Evo, a mobile crawler scissor elevator. It is battery operated and comes with a 180 AH48 lead power pack. The technique is capable of working on any type of terrain, and the new self-leveling system allows it to remain stable even in the presence of slopes. In this series, any stabilizers are absent. The operator can move the machine, staying in the basket without closing the scissors, the arrow. Thanks to its compact dimensions and tracked undercarriage, it is possible to work in any conditions, even on rough terrain or enclosed areas inside buildings. The 1233 is the most popular model in the K-Tech scraper lineup. This versatile machine handles all soil conditions with unrivaled fuel efficiency and amazing loading speeds. By mounting two K-Tech 1233 scrapers in tandem behind a single tractor, or ATV, this unit can move a whopping 50 meters cubed in a single cycle with just one operator. This fully integrated tandem scraper system moves twice as much material with just one 450 horsepower power unit. Self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with a 4,850 liters drum equipped with modern 4 sensors electronic scales, easy to handle and high precision system for the production of the required mix. All this is about the new CarMix 3500 TC. This machine is equipped with a new comfortable cabin, which can guarantee safe operation and increase visibility for the operator. In addition, the 3500 TC is equipped with ProMix technology, which allows analyzing the composition of the mix, slump, volume, temperature, humidity, and an indication of the readiness of the mix itself. Cleantech Infra provides their customers with mechanized treatment tools for water body remediation. Their technologically advanced harvester boats are designed to remove aquatic weeds from lakes, collecting float debris from rivers, desalinize and remove sediments from drains, channels, and corrective dredging for river flood protection. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. The NG1S combines many of DJI's advanced technologies, including the new A3 flight controller and a system of innovative sensors to ensure reliable and safe flight. The new liquid atomization system is designed to distribute the mixture as accurately as possible. The drone is equipped with 4 nozzles in the front and rear, and it also has 3 spray modes, front, rear, and full. 2 pressure modes are available, intensive and productive. And if you need to monitor how much fluid is left in the tank, you can do so thanks to the new flow and pressure sensors. Farewell, but not for long. Subscribe now to stay connected and explore more tech revelations.